Hi, my name is David Sommerfleck, and I am the owner and chief WordPress website developer and trainer for our company, Affordable Websites Denver.com in good old Denver, Colorado. And right now, winter is reaching into Denver and kind of keeping things a little bit cold, and that's to be expected with the change in seasons. But for a couple of minutes, I wanted to do a brief video to show you not just how to create a new page. You've seen that before in previous videos, but I also wanted to show you how to basically link to a PDF or a Word document to allow others to download it. So say for example you want people to be able to go to a WordPress website page and you want them to be able to find a document. It could be a checklist, it could be a form that you'd like people to have before you meet with them, as in my case, and you want them to be able to click on this form and be able to download it so they can print it up and bring it when they meet with you. Could be a PDF, could be a Word document, could even be a text document. So we're going to show you how to do that. So as you can see with our demo site here, we don't have any pages created. You see right here it says pages, and there's no pages created. And if we want to add a new page, we could just go here or we could go here, either one. So for the sake of sticking to the C panel or control panel, which is really what I use to instruct in my WordPress training classes, so we're going to stick to this, and we're going to go to add new. And right now my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, but it should carry us there. So how are you today? Oh, that's good to hear. Okay, so here's our new page. Let's call this forms, for lack of anything better. Now all of this that you see here and here, you're going to have. You should see this if you have a WordPress website theme. Regardless of what theme you're using, you should see this, unless you're using one of these Genesis, Thesis, Headway knockoff templates where it kind of changes the menu system. But for the most part, you should see this. So let's say, welcome to my forms page. We're happy to see you. Here are forms to download. Okay, pretty simple, huh? Okay, so let's say, what should we call one? Webinar FAQ. Okay, and let's just, for the sake of making it more visible, we'll go ahead and bold it, italicize it, and underline it. Okay, so there it is. Now we're going to publish the page. We're going to use our default template or theme. And since we haven't created any other pages, there is not a main or primary category to put this under. So we're just going to publish it. And there, it's been published. Okay, so now we have this page called Forms. Here's the URL. Okay, or page address, whatever you want to call it. So before we can have a downloadable link, first we have to give WordPress, our website, the document that we want, right? So in order to do that, we go to media, because remember it's a form of media, and we're going to add it to our media library. So we go here and then here because we're adding a new document. And with the recent upgrade to WordPress 3.5 now, it's even easier. So we're going to select the file and blah, 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 blah. Here it is. And let's look for our webinar FAQ. There it is. You see it changes it. There it is. Pretty simple, right? So let's go back to our page because that's where we want to create the link, right? So we go to edit, find it, We're assuming that everything's going okay. And we're going to add media to it. There's some pictures of me. I mean, you do the best you can with the hand that you've been dealt, you know. So let's insert it. There it is. Now, as you can see, here's the text. Here's more text. And here, if we put the cursor here, lo and behold, you see that there's a link and a broken link. What exactly does that mean? Well, it means that a link has been created to that document. So if someone were to click on that document, it should allow them to download it. So we're going to test it out. And let's see what happens. Okay. So now we go right click. Let's see what happens. There it is. Now what happens if I click on this? Joe Q Public. Okay, I clicked on it. I didn't see anything happen, did you? Now if you look down in the address bar here on the bottom, I don't know if you can see down here, right here in this area. There we go. It's downloading it. So that document has already been downloaded. Wow. So that was pretty fast. Okay, so it does work. It'll download that document, which is what we wanted. So now if we want to break that link, all we'd have to do is highlight it and go to break the link, unlink. If we wanted to change the text or change what it links to, we could do that here. And if you want to change the text, you could just backspace a few right here and just call it something like that if you want to be cute. And again, you could also just go to the next line, create another download. You could have a series of download documents and make them a bulleted list or numbered list. So I hope that helps. You understand how to not only create a new page, but also add a document to your media manager and also create a link directly to that document so that the public or whoever goes to your website can download that. Now if we were to go to the media library, we can look for that. Yes, let's leave the page, who cares? Okay, there's pictures of moi. Here's the webinar FAQ. It's been uploaded to the forums page. So it's linked directly to that page. And so if you wanted, you'd go there to download it, or it's going to be here in the media library. And here it is. This is the newest version of WordPress 3.5. So you see you can put a caption to it if you'd like to, have some kind of description. We don't really need to do all of that, so we're just going to go ahead and log out, and we are done. And I really hope that this video clarified a few steps for you. And again, if you have any questions or if you need help with website design, just visit us at affordablewebsitesdenver.com. We're also at affordablewebsitesdenverllc.com. And what else? We have denversmallbusinesssolutions.com. So just visit one of those websites if you need help with WordPress or you'd like to submit a question, and or check out the portfolio or see what kind of upcoming WordPress training events we may have in the greater Denver area. So I hope that helps, and take care everybody, and have a safe and happy Christmas and New Year's. Bye.